Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Edge, and let me show you how to change date and time on the following device. So first of all, let's get into the settings. Then let's scroll down to the very bottom and choose System. And here let's select date and time. As you can see, now we are using network provided time, but of course you can set it manually. Simply click on the switcher to turn it off. And now we've got date and time activated. So let me pick another date and another time, for example this one. Okay, and as you can see, it is immediately applied. Also, we are using a network provided time zone. If you want, of course, you can set it manually the same way that the time and date. So let's click on the switcher and select another time zone, for example this one. Let's get back. If you want, you can also change the time format. For example, now we are using the 12-hour format, but if you want to use the 24-hour format, simply click on the switcher, and now it is immediately applied. Let's get back to 12-hour format. If you want to again use network provided time and network provided time zone, nothing easier. Simply click on all those switchers, and here we are getting back to the previous state. So that's all. This is how you change date and time in your Motorola Edge. Thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.